Adolf Hitler, Scorpion. What you think this is? Guns R Us? PPK 7622mm Orlando scaffold, Germany, Normandy. I get you Lian Chin with that Adolf Hitler and Zantigos, Normandy, tails. Right? Look like Normandy here, tails. Baby tail squirrel. Man. Yeah, I get you Zantigos with that Hitler, Normandy. You were SKS armed, so you had brothers. You had Limp Bizkit, Marilyn Manson, and Eminem, Slim Shady. Slim Shady's dad impersonating his son. Eminem's son, his dad. Got a bit of Apocalypto too, Red Crow and Lightfoot. Well, we'll try that now. Apocalypto, Red Crow, Lightfoot, Sitting Bull. Apocalypto, Red Crow, Sitting Bull, Lightfoot. Avatar, Spirit of the Blue Feather, spun up in Apocalypto. See the roads or the branch? It has front, it has back. Back, you still hold it far back. So it's Christopher Columbus talking in these little George Washington, Iraq, and Germans. Wolf robe. Metrodome, a billboard, a Hormel screen. Wolf robe. Wolf robe, T-Rex arm. Punjalat. Chief Joseph, Red Cloud, Sitting Bull, Geronimo, Ogalla, Native Americans porn. Well, that's my concept to it there. That is Storm Kicking Bird, Bruce Lee beard. No Bighorn Pictures, Bruce Lee. Adolf Hitler, Scorpion. What you think this is? Guns R Us? You see the FU English beard there with the Brockcock in Germans? Black Widow, eye blink. Chief Joseph Nez Pierce, a Bellinger. Cut Bank.